Okay guys, so it has been a couple of days. Sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice. So yeah, so I just, oh, looks like it does work. I just took it out of the freezer, the fridge. It's been in there for at least 2 weeks. Oh, and I think, well, I am wearing these sexy clothes. That's the video that I've done 2 weeks ago. I have cleaned them. Just thought they're really comfy, so I just thought I'd wear them again. They have been washed, okay? They have been washed. So here we go. As you guys can see, it has thickened up, except from that bit. Sorry guys, it's just gone really dark. I know it's just gone really light. Now it's just gone really dark. Sorry about that. I don't really have my light on because it's the morning. But this is what it looks like. I mean, it has definitely thickened up a lot. I'll just be back after I have turned my light on, so it will stop going like this. So I'm back and I've just turned the light on. So let's get back with the video, shall we? So as I guys told you, this is what it looks like. It's definitely stretchy. It's very stringy. I can tell you guys that. But there's nothing really else to say about this. It's just a big, hot mess. Hopefully, if I keep on kneading it, it will get better. So I'm just going to keep on kneading it. Okay. Okay, so it's getting better. It's not getting stronger anymore. It is not sticking to me anymore. It's just falling apart. Guys, and it is my birthday in 2 weeks. So yeah. I have just been on the phone to my boyfriend. My boyfriend is sleeping in 2 weeks, so it's on my birthday. Exactly 2 weeks, so he's going to be sleeping on my birthday. So yeah. So here's the slime. It does look like blue tack still, but it's still a slime. I don't really want to wreck this, but I think I might need to add something into it to make it less stiff. So I'm just gonna go get myself some lotion. To add into this, and I'll be right back. So I've just got my lotion. I've just been to the doctor's because I have a toothache and a sore throat, and I'm losing my voice. So I've just got the lotion. So yeah, it is very sticky, but I'm just gonna roll with it. I don't really have any containers to put this in, but yeah, I do over there. Well, it's not a container, it's kind of like this little plastic stand thing, and you have little extra boxes. So let's just open this. I have this Monsoon thing. And you can get body lotion shower cream. So you can get body cream and shower cream from Monsoon, but I have the lotion. So I'm just adding like that much. It looks really big on camera, but it's actually like the tiniest little drop. So yeah. Here we go. Let's just keep on kneading. I do have like I said, I do have a sore throat and a toothache. But I still do these videos for you guys. So cut me some slack, okay? This is my first time making blue tack slime. So yes, cut me some slack. a little bit more stretchier by as much as I put in it. So yeah, I think it sounds like I feel like I'm talking really loudly. Comment down below if you guys think that I'm talking really loudly, because I really think that I'm talking really loudly. But yeah, my throat is really hurting. Ow, my teeth. By the way, guys, I don't just get toothache. You don't just get toothache by not brushing your teeth. I do brush my teeth, and it's just that. Well, a couple days ago, I was playing on my bike, and I fell off it and banged my tooth on a metal post, and it's been irritating all day. Like every single day up to today. Guys, it's becoming really stretchy. I feel like it does need to be a little bit more softer. But that's okay. I might add some water into it. Whilst I got the lotion, I did get some water from downstairs. After I came back from the dentist. So yeah. So I'm just gonna get the glass of water. It's here. I didn't think I needed it, but I just got it just in case I did. So I'll just put it there and get this in, and I'll just go. Whoop. Okay, so it is better. Okay. That was a lot. They will say if you want water into blue tack, that it does make it less stiff. You know, because it's loosening up the stiffness. So yeah, it is loosening up a lot, and I only added a little bit. So yeah, let's just. Good. I added a lot then. Sorry about that noise, guys. That's my dog yelling at my sister's hamster. My hamster is up there, as you guys can see. Put Angel down. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god. Down. Okay, stay. Dang. My dog's just being a weirdo. Bye. Now we can get the camera up. Okay, there we go. This is so stretchy. This is way better now, you guys. But it is a bit stiff. I don't think my thumbs has ever had this much muscle in ages. Like, I'm really weak. It's not that sticky anymore. It's just like that. And I don't leave it on your hands. Sorry about that. Why is I can't get my camera back in its place. My camera on my mum's phone. My mum has a Google Pixel, so you're allowed to stop it. The Google Pixel is a very expensive phone. Very expensive. Just pop me from out, please. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy me doing this recap and fixing it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed me doing this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. But make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what I should do to make this slime better, or what kind of video you want me to do next. So yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.